Welcome back to VVP Trading. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I upload. In today's video, we're going to go over a stock that I had mentioned in last video last week, Camber Energy. So I'm just going to talk about basically what I expect to see moving forward and what the stock has done in the last month to 3 months and what I expect in the next week or so. So in the top right corner, you're going to see the link of the last video I made about this stock last week, or you could just go on my channel and you'll see it's the last video. If you look here on my account, this is for the last month. We have about 60% profit, $3,800, and this is basically mainly from Camber Energy. We went from a low of about 6,500 to right now $10,260. So in the last 3 months alone, over $6,000 profit, 161%. And if we take a look at Camber Energy, what I expect to happen. Right here, we have a double bottom. We have a double bottom right here testing the $1.45 mark. And then from here, we're going to about the 225 zone. So from the 225 zone to $1.45, we're looking at about 60% profit just from this one trade alone. And I have been not really day trading. I mean, some trades have been in a day, but Robinhood only limits you to 3 day trades in 6 trading days, which is one thing I do not like so much about Robinhood. But if you are more interested in day trading, especially with the stock that's so volatile, like CEI, like Camber, because it can do 20-30% in a day, and if you open it that same day, you can't close it, and then when market closes, it can drop again, and you don't want to lose that profit. So I would highly recommend to use Webull. I will probably do a separate video on Webull once I start using it. I'm going to have to transfer some of the funds into that account, but there are a lot more perks with Webull, such as you can actually set take profit and stop loss. On Robinhood, you can't do that. You can only set one limit, whether that is stop loss, but you can't have stop loss and take profit. So once you see it's not going towards your stop loss, you'd have to cancel that sell limit and then do a sell limit at your take profit, which can be a lot, because you can't modify the number. You have to cancel the whole order entirely, which I think is honestly very annoying, and it just takes up time. But on Webull, you can set take profits, you could do stop losses, which is a huge perk. Then on top of that, the 3 day trades a day instead of the 3 day trades in 6 trading days, that itself right there is a huge plus. And like I said, if we go on CEI, all right, so in the last 3 months, actually, let's go on 1 month. Let's see. So, and not even the last month, 3 months. Last month, we're looking at 340% growth just from the stock alone. And with my projected take profit of 2.25, we're looking at about 470%, which is not bad. That's almost 5 times your return on investment. So you put in $1,000, your return is 5,000. So that's not bad at all. I mean, that's actually really great. This stock is very volatile. It moves a lot. And the last few days have been a little slow. They've been down days, or it's kind of been break-even days. But I do expect some big movements coming soon, and that's something we can look for. I have been opening and closing trades and not keeping it long term. When I do move some of the money to Webull. I will be only day trading on Webull, and on Robinhood I will leave long-term investments such as Camber Energy. I'll leave a few thousand in there just to let it just ride it out, and I'll also put probably some money into Alibaba, which I'm already in, and also AMC. But on Webull, strictly Webull will just be for day trades, and just from there just to grow the account, whereas Robinhood will just be a long term. I did run into a few other stocks on Robinhood and also on Webull that are very volatile. They move. I mean, if you just look right here, 30% today, 37%, 20%, 17, anything above 7-8% a day it's phenomenal. Even if you're doing 5% a day, that's just insane. So this one right here, we're looking at 60%, which is the all-time high. So 60% in one day, that's just honestly insane. And I'll probably do a video coming up shortly on those stocks and basically how I'm going to move forward with those, because these are very volatile. I don't want to put 100% of my account or my funds into these stocks or crypto or whatever it may be, because it's very volatile, and that's how you won't blow accounts, but you'll be either a drawdown, a massive drawdown, because even if it goes down a few bucks, if one share is $6, you're already losing 40% just off of that. So right here, we see that I am in AMC. I do have 38 shares. I'm also in Camber. I am in a few other stocks, Naked Stock, a pharmaceutical company, Alibaba. This is a free stock that they gave me, Tesla, so I'm not really in Tesla. So these are just a few stocks that I have. Basically, my main focus is towards, I would say Alibaba. I have about 2,000 in there, and CEI, I would say, is my main focus. About 60-70% of that stock of my account goes into there. But with today, it is currently 2 a.m, and we have stock market after hours go from 145 to 164. So as it shows right here, Camber Energy. Okay, so we see after hours it is up 12%. So that is why we have this. Doesn't even show it. Okay. Yeah, so this right here, we have this big jump. It was down to 9,500, and then aftermarket. So just like that, just with the basic aftermarket, is 12%. The account shoots up another $700. And honestly, with something that's so volatile like Camber, it can do that in a day. As price goes up, it's a little harder to find 30-40% days, because the price is higher. So if it goes up $2-3, it's not gonna be the same percent if the price is higher. So I don't know if that makes sense, but the percent, it's like if Bitcoin goes up $10,000, it's still not going to be that high of a gain. It'll be 1/6, give or take, and that's not going to be the same compared to another stock that goes up $10,000. So in the end, it doesn't matter how much the stock goes up. It all matters about the percent, because that is where your money is being made. So basically, all in all, right here is Camber Energy. We're currently at $1.64 right here. I do project a gap when market opens to the upside, and then not the end of this week, but hopefully next week to break this $2 mark and then hit 225, and then that is probably when I'll be closing a big portion of it and transferring it into Webull, where I will be focusing more on just day trading and just catching those 10%, pulling out instead of, waiting for ups and downs. And because even with the Camber that I'm in right now, I'm only up a few, maybe like $400, but I have been in it for a couple of days because the last couple of days Camber has not really done anything. It's kind of just been consolidating. But even with these consolidations, these jumps, if you enter at this zone right here, you're still looking at least 10%. So if you're trading on Webull, you can actually catch that 10% and then cash out a lot faster and without basically the risk of your account being restricted with Robinhood. So like I said before, I will post a video, kind of the pros and cons of Webull and the pros and cons of Robinhood. It just kind of depends on your strategy, what you're trying to achieve, how much time you have available, how much time you're going to invest, and whether you want to do long term, short term. It kind of just depends on your strategy and what you are looking for with investments. So all in all, this is Camber Energy. As I said before, I made a video about it last week. I'm not sure what price it was at. All right, so last week when I uploaded the video, Camber was at its all-time of about 180. What do we got right here? 185. And then that is when it made its way to the downside. And as we see here, we have sort of a triangle forming here, which we expect to break out to the upside because price is sellers are losing momentum, and that is when buyers take over and price shoots to the upside. And within probably the end of next week, I am expecting a move to this area right here. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and what you are going to be doing with this stock. As I said before, if you guys have not yet subscribed or have not yet hit the bell icon, do that so that whenever I upload any new videos, you guys are notified, whether it be of different stocks or different trading platforms or just basic tips for trading, whether it is stock market, Forex, or crypto. I will be doing a little bit more Forex, more analyzing. I do have a playlist for analysis that will consist of, I believe, all markets, or in the future I might just make 3 different playlists for 3 different markets for analysis, but only time can tell. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button, and take care, guys.